Okay, so my kiddo had a question on the math map. We are doing book 4, complex, and we are here. So the section that says add and subtract using different notations. And while he was doing it, he was saying, what is that, Mom? Why is there a negative up top on the 6i minus negative 2i? And so I Googled it just to make sure I was correct. And they're just showing you how to use different notations. So don't freak out about it. And you know, most likely, that two negatives make a positive. So what I did, because I'm a visual person, is I went through, and first of all, they give you an example. They give you an example up on the left-hand side. So 3i plus 4i equals what? 3 plus 4 is 7, and then you just make sure that you carry your unit, which is I, right? And then on the second one below it, it says 3i minus negative 4i equals 7i. Why? Because 3 plus 4 equals 7, right? So over here, and I'm visual, so I just went ahead and added that in with my pencil. So 6i minus negative 2i equals what? 8i. Because 6 plus 2, because two negatives is a positive. 6 plus 2 equals 8i. And over here, they're saying positive 6i minus negative 2i. See, they wrote it differently. They're using a different notation. So 6 plus 2 is still 8i. Make sure that you're carrying your unit. That's how I look at it. And then 7, positive 7i plus 4, it was negative, minus negative 2i. And I made that a positive because 2 negatives equal a positive. So 7 plus 2 equals how much? 9. And then 7i minus negative 2i using a different notation. See, 7 plus 2 equals 9. And so on. And I went to the little answer area. Let me find it. Oh, where am I? Am I in the right place? No. Try not to let you see my incredibly unorganized house. Where are we? Here we go. Okay. All right, so right here, there's an answers page. Okay, and so we go to the answers page to see if we're doing it right. And here we are. We already knew the first column because it was there for us. And then 6i minus negative 2i is what? 8i. Okay, so you can look at your answers and say, yep, I'm doing it right. So there's that small piece. Now that's the first that I've dug into this. So you guys are probably ahead of me, but just in case this is helpful to anybody, there you go.